Julia Hurley, and you're watching Selling Knoxville with American Dream TV. Today, we are at the historic Cruze Farm, Knoxville's last remaining purveyor of utterly delicious treats. Let's cruise down to the barn to meet the benefactors and bovines responsible for Knoxville's signature ice cream. With me today is Colleen Cruze. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Thank you, Julia.
Of course. Please tell us about the history of this amazing farm.
Well, my parents started the farm, and they started Ball and Milk back in 1980. And my dad, he's a fourth generation dairy farmer, very passionate about milk, Jersey cows, and it was his dream to bottle milk. And that's what we're doing today.
So how big is the farm?
So it's a total of about 600 acres.
Tell us about your product choices.
Yeah. So our milk, well, since it's from Jersey cows, it's creamier than all the other milks. And we pasteurize our milk, and we don't homogenize it. So the cream rises to the top. And we have whole milk, light milk, chocolate milk, coffee milk, buttermilk, and of course, ice cream.
That sounds so delicious. Tell us a little bit about the family and how everybody is here and working, and that you're the last dairy farm left in Knoxville, right?
Isn't that crazy?
It is.
Yeah, we are the last dairy farm in Knox County, but I hope that isn't true forever. I would love to see other dairy farms open, and I always tell people, if you want to start a dairy, talk to us. Like, we would love to tell people what we've learned through the many years. So my dad is 81 and he still milks cows every day, twice a day. Yeah, he's amazing, and my mom's amazing too. She runs a wedding venue, so they're both really hard workers. They're dreamers, and they pass some of their passion on to me. And my passion is like ice cream and people, so I've been able to live out my dream through our ice cream shop. Meet my dad. This is Earl Cruze.
Earl Cruze.
Hi.
Nice to meet you, sir.
Oh, it's a pleasure to meet you. What's your name now?
Julia Hurley.
Oh, Julia Hurley. Oh, fair. Nice name. Would you like to milk a cow?
I would love to milk a cow.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Let me show you. I've been milking them a day or two.
All right. All right, Colleen, now that you've shown me how to milk it and bottle it, what's next?
Well, let's go on down the store and I'll show you what we do with it.
I'm excited. Let's go.
Julia, you look great. I love you as a Cruze Farm girl.
Me too, thank you.
So now we're here at the shop, and this is Sophia.
Hi, Sophia.
Nice to meet you. And what are you going to show her today?
We're going to show you how to make ice cream.
I'm excited. Let's do it.
Okay.
So this is where the magic happens. Today we're going to be making sweet cream and brown butter.
So what is this that we're pouring in right now?
So this is sweet cream mix. It comes straight from the farm. All of our mixes, the sweet cream and chocolate, come from the farm, as well as the strawberry.
I did milk a cow earlier today.
Oh, did you?
I did.
So you're a pro.
How long will this take?
So this will usually take about 15 minutes to just freeze, and then we'll have ice cream cones.
I'm excited.
Yay!
Thank you.
Yeah, of course.
Looks like I've got 15 minutes, so I've got some work to do around here. Come on. Now that we've got some work in, Sophia, is my ice cream ready?
It is. Let's sample.
Let's sample. One for you.
Thank you.
One for me. And cheers.
Cheers.
How did everything go today?
Oh my gosh, this is utterly delicious.
I'm so glad.
Colleen, thank you for letting us cruise along with your family today. I really appreciate it.
Thank you, Julia. I really appreciate you coming.
Thank you. Everybody, this is another amazing episode of Selling Knoxville with American Dream TV. Until next time.